My name is Nur Shazina Adira binti Nasaruddin. My matrix number 17-23F1064. Noise pollution is the presence of excessive or disturbing sounds in the environment that disrupt the natural balance, affecting both human health and the ecosystem. Common sources include traffic, industrial machinery, construction activities, and loud human gatherings. Unlike other types of pollution, noise pollution is often overlooked, but it has serious consequences, including hearing loss, sleep disturbances, increased stress levels, and impaired communication. Prolonged exposure to high noise levels can also harm wildlife, disrupting habitats and animal behaviors. As urban areas expand and technology advance, managing and mitigating noise pollution has become essential to protect public health and maintain quality of life. Methods that assess the current noise level in the area. Use a sound level meter, noise dosimeter, or octave band analyzer to measure the noise. First, sound level meter, a common instrument used to measure noise levels. A Class 1 sound level meter is easy to use and can make spot checks of noise levels around a construction site. Second, noise dosimeter, another common instrument used to measure noise levels. Lastly, octave band analyzer, a sound measuring instrument that can be used to measure noise levels. Noise sources that need to be mitigated. Outdoor noise from site activities. Activities such as pile driving, concrete pouring, and demolition can create high levels of noise. Mitigation should focus on scheduling these activities during less disruptive hours and using barriers or sound screens to reduce noise. Second, industrial noise can be caused by machinery, engines, and heavy equipment. Lastly, transportation noise. Traffic-related noise from construction vehicles, deliveries, and site access roads can be disruptive. Prioritize noise mitigation by choosing routes that avoid residential areas and scheduling deliveries during off-peak hours.
My name is Nur Takifa binti Ramari. My metric number is 70-23F1040. I will explain about mitigation strategies. First, to reduce noise during construction is use quieter, will maintain equipment and add acoustic enclosures or mufflers to loud machinery like compressor. Secondly is limit noisy operation to specific times and keep machinery away from noise-sensitive area. For transportation, choose roads that avoid residential areas, reduce vehicle speeds, use electric or hybrid vehicle when possible, and prevent idling. Next, install barriers or noise screen to block sound and position loud activities away from homes. Lastly, monitor noise levels, adjust work plans as needed, and inform the community about schedule and noise control efforts to maintain good relations. To reduce long-term noise impacts on residents is use soundproofing in walls, floors, and ceilings, double glazed windows, and sound insulating doors. Second, install floating floors, quiet HVAC system, and insulate ducts. Next, landscaping with trees or fences can act as natural sound barriers. Regular maintenance of equipment like elevators helps keep noise low, and clear noise policies, quiet hours, and resident complaint channels support a peaceful environment. Last, managing parking, reducing vehicle noise, and educating residents and staff on noise control contribute to a quieter living space.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Ayan Tasha binti Alas. My message number is 17-23F1036 and I want to present about measurement and monitoring. There are 3 ways monitoring plan to ensure that noise levels remain within acceptable limits throughout both the construction and operational phases. First is set clear noise threshold monitoring at key locations near sensitive areas and use calibrated equipment like sound level meters and dosimeters. Second is monitoring frequently during construction and regularly during operation, collecting and reviewing data to identify trends. If noise exceeds limits, apply mitigation measures. For example, schedule adjustment and noise barriers. Last is keep the community informed through regular reports and periodically review and adjust the monitoring plan to maintain effective noise control. Next, I want to present about tools and techniques to measure and report noise levels accurately. First, keep the community informed through regular reports and periodically review and adjust the monitoring plan to maintain effective noise control. Next is noise dosimeters can track individual worker exposure over time, while noise mapping creates a visual depiction of noise across an area using grid-based measurements. Last is mobile apps like the NIOCH sound level meter can provide quick readings but should be verified with professional equipment.
My name is Nurodiah Aida binti Rohaizat, number matrix 17 DAS 23F1030. I will explain about community engagement, and there is 6 ways on how we will address their concern effectively. On this slide, there was 3 points. First and foremost is to communicate our noise mitigation plans. We will host public meetings to explain the plans clearly and allow the community to ask questions. Information will be shared through simple, non-technical flyers, website, and social media. Secondly, we will set up feedback channels such as surveys and a dedicated phone line to listen to concern and acknowledge the impact of noise. Personalized outreach will be made to those most affected, offering tailored solutions like installation or adjusted work schedule. Thirdly, specific mitigation strategies such as sound barrier and quieter machinery will be presented with examples of their effectiveness. We will provide a timeline for noise fluctuation and adjust noisy activities to less disruptive hours. Regular updates on progress, including noise monitoring data, will be shared to ensure transparency and build trust with the community. We will ensure ongoing community involvement and satisfaction. We will implement several feedback mechanisms. Regular surveys, including polls and both multiple choice and open-ended questions, will collect community sentiment and suggestions. We will provide accessible feedback channels such as suggestion boxes, physical and digital, on social media. Regular meetings will allow the community to voice concerns and ideas in real time. Data analytics will track engagement and satisfaction trends, helping identify areas needing attention. Lastly, ongoing communication through updates will keep the community informed on how their feedback has influenced decisions, reinforcing their role in the process. That's all from us. Thank you. Community informed on how their feedback has influenced decisions, reinforcing their role in the process. That's all from us. Thank you.